I can't overemphasize the fact that Indian country has not, the U.S. government hasn't lived up to its trust responsibility to Indian tribes. I've probably said this before on your show, right? What that means is that they've been underfunded. The Indian Health Service has been underfunded. The infrastructure has been underfunded. There are people, and we'll just take the Navajo Nation, for example, but there are Indian tribes all over New Mexico and in other states as well that don't have running water. They don't, or their water is polluted and they can't use it. They don't have electricity. They don't have broadband internet. So they can't, telehealth out of the question. Sometimes we'll reach out to President Jonathan Nez on the Navajo Nation, and it takes you 5 times to try to get a call through because there's no service. It's hard to get service in some parts of the nation. It's a very large expanse of land, and so these are the issues. There's also another, when I say that the U.S. government hasn't lived up to its trust responsibility, it's for health care, absolutely, for housing, right? For housing. Some people are, they're multi-generational houses. There's not enough housing for people to live in, so they're in cramped quarters, and it's difficult to social distance, and it's just a very difficult situation, and so one more thing with respect to the broadband is the kids don't have broadband to get their schoolwork done either. And so there's a lot of things that are going by the wayside during this pandemic. They weren't prepared. They don't have the infrastructure, and then they have a pandemic on top of all of that.